Hello friends, welcome to our channel Easy Parenting.
Today we are going to make glow in the dark nameplate and glow in the dark skeleton. For doing this we need glow powder and glue. First we will take 5 ml of glue in a cup. This is the glow powder. Now we are going to add 1 scoop of glow powder in this glue. Glow powder will glow in the dark and it is non-toxic and non-radioactive, so it is very safe to use. There is no harm in using this powder. As soon as the particles of powder are exposed to dark, they will start to emit their glow. Now the link to buy this glow powder is given in description. If you want, you can check it out. Keep in mind that the glow powder should not be mixed with water. Okay, now mix it with glue. Now take a stick. With the help of stick or earbud, you can write down the name of your kit. You can write down the name or anything and decorate it as per your wish. Design will stick well in the paper. You can take any thick sheet of paper. Now you can give it to your kids and let them enjoy making their own shapes. If they find it very difficult to make the shapes, you can also make a template like this and you can give it to them so that they can enjoy doing this. If you think it's still difficult for them, you can make stickers like this. You can stick it out and you can ask them to fill on that sticker. After doing this, you can let it dry for 1 hour. Now we are going to turn off the lights and check. Let's move on to our next activity now. For this, you need to draw a skeleton template on a paper, or if you have printer, you can even print it out. For making this, I have taken one old face sheet. Now with the help of the same mixture, I am drawing it over that skeleton. You can also try it in different surfaces. You can try it on a table or any cloth or anything. Whichever you like, you can try it out, and do let me know in the comment section. Your skeleton is ready now. Now I am going to take off that paper. See this? Now let's switch off the light and check. Oh wow! Similar to this, you can make any designs as you like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have fun.